news, people of Shinar are working hard on building a large tower that will reach heaven.
This will really show people how great we are, now able to enter the liquid version.
La torre è scomparsa. Dio non era contento e l'ha distrutto. Chiediamo al locale cosa è successo.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
People no longer have the ability to speak to one another as they no longer share a common language, and the people scattered to different places.
On the 26th of September, we all completed a quiz for the European Union Day of Languages. Today we wanted to speak more about why we feel that languages are important.
Did you know that around 7,000 languages are spoken all around the world, and that a large portion of pupils at Dover College can speak more than one? Some of the languages spoken are Chinese, Mandarin, Cantonese, Spanish, French, Italian, Welsh, Russian, German, Afrikaans, Japanese and Korean.
The Bible tells us that the Acts 2:4-24, when it's important for the disciples to spread the good news of Jesus Christ, that they were filled with the ability to be understood by many different peoples, indicating that it is important to be able to converse with people in their own language when spreading an important message.
There are many ways in which learning a language can benefit you. One of these ways is that it can help you to communicate with other people, to form new relationships and get to know people that you wouldn't speak to ordinarily.
Languages can also help to expose you to other cultures. This enables you to appreciate different traditions, art, history and religions, broadening your mind and expanding your understanding of others. Speaking more than one language improves your memory and sharpens your mind, as well as enhancing your decision-making and improving your performance in other academic areas.
Some other facts about languages are that Mandarin, although the most widely spoken language, is in fact the most difficult language to learn, while Spanish is in fact the easiest. And at least half of the world's population are bilingual or multilingual. The English language is a language spoken around 1.8 billion people. However, English was not always such a popular language. And the national language for England itself was actually French for over 300 years. Did you know that around 1,700 words in the English language were invented by William Shakespeare?
Let us pray. May the God who created a world of diversity and vibrancy go with us as we embrace life in all its fullness. May the Son who teaches us to care for strangers and foreigners go with us as we try to be good neighbours for our communities. May the Spirit who breaks down our barriers and celebrates community go with us as we find the courage to create a place of welcome for all. Amen.